welcome to my channel. Yes, it has started. July is here. I am hoping that Ibotta is a great month. I felt June was just kind of sad. I did not finish level 4. I have not finished level 4 in over a year. I always hit every level, and a lot of you guys said you didn't hit level 4 either, but that's okay because it was just a kind of a sad month for couponing. I mean, there were some great deals and other stuff, but just for Ibotta, nothing. But I am here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. I got a lot of stuff that I haven't gotten in the past, and I got some repeats, but I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got. I really wanted to see if I could finish level 1 and 2. I did finish level 1. I was 1 away from finishing level 2, and I'm like, do I want to run back into the store and get anything? And I'm like, nah, that's okay. It'll be better for next week because maybe they'll get some more Ibotta deals. So, let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. I know, I always say let's just dig in. Maybe I should make a shirt for that. A lot of you guys, one thing I do want to say is thank you guys for everybody who sent me letters. I love it. I keep every single one of them, so I'm super excited about that. And a couple of you guys also mentioned that I need to start my own t-shirt design. I would totally love to do something like that. I have no idea how to do that and how much money I have to invest in doing something like that, but it's something for me when I get a little bit bigger in YouTube. Once I start getting a little bit more, I mean, I barely get hardly anything off of YouTube, so I'm like, once I get a little bit more, then maybe I can start, you know, doing some stuff. But I really want to do a couple more t-shirt designs. I want to do coffee mugs. I definitely want to do reusable bags. Like, that's one thing I really want to do. So you guys will have to stick with me. You know, I'm working on a lot of that stuff so we can all work together. But let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got again. So I ended up getting the Newman's salad dressing. I always get ranch because I know ranch will get eaten in our house. We love ranch. Anything with chicken, got ranch. So these were $2.98. There is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 98 cents. So definitely do that. I'm going to do something. You guys all watch the Extreme Couponing to Extreme Donating videos. There's one coming up this Saturday, and I actually got quite a few ideas. So some of the stuff that I did get in today's haul, I will be putting in that video. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that on Saturday. I ended up doing the Tic Tac deal. Now, last week, they were $1 back, and I did that deal 3 times. I did that deal 3 times, and then after that, then it changed to 50 cents. But I still wanted to do the deal because it's still Ibotta rebates. And if you guys notice, your Ibotta rebates will reset 24 hours after you guys submit your receipt. So if you guys submit receipt at 3 o'clock and you wait 24 hours, pretty much all those items will reset. Most items reset about 4 or 5 times before anything changes. So I'm just letting you guys know on that for all the newbies. But I got these Tic Tacs. Again, these were $1.14. You guys would pay $1.14 for these. But then you guys get a 50-cent rebate back, making the final price for these just 64 cents. Now, these are 3 different rebates, so that's 3 different items that you guys can get with your rebates. So, definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I have so much Tic Tac gum. Last year I did, and I'm going to probably make a video showing you guys my couponing to trick-or-treating, but everybody got a pack of gum this last year, but I feel like there hasn't been as many gum deals this year like there was last year, but I've been more of the Tic Tac gum deals than ever. So wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, I did the McCormick deal. Now, last week I did some spices. I did hot sauce and mustard, but I thought I wanted to pay a little bit less out of pocket. So I ended up getting... You need help with this? It's open, honey. It's right here. Here you go. You guys, I ended up getting 2 mustards and some hot sauce. So the hot sauce is the smaller one. You guys, I always scan stuff when I'm at the store just because certain reasons I don't feel like some stuff qualifies, and I've ended up putting stuff back because certain items show on the Ibotta app and then sometimes they don't work. So just letting you guys know on that. But I scanned this, and this was $1.18. So I got so much hot sauce, that's why I only got one of these. But I ended up getting 2 of the mustards. These were $1.38 a piece. So altogether, you guys would pay $3.94 depending on what you guys want to do. There is a 3 off of 3 rebate on Ibotta. So you guys would just get all 3 of these for just 94 cents or 32 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. You know, you can't go wrong. It is summertime, so yeah. I ended up doing the Aquafresh toothpaste again because I just wanted to keep getting Ibotta deals. I want to share with you guys deals. But these were $1.67. There's a 50-cent off coupon that you guys can print off of aquafresh.com. You guys would pay $1.17 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 17 cents. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I was going to get some of that cocktail artist stuff, but my store didn't have the correct sizes, and I'm just like, whatever. Moving on. I ended up getting this Nature Valley stuff. Now, I don't know if this is the greatest deal, but my husband likes snacking on these, and I'm like, let's try it. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different kinds, but he really likes this flavor. He likes the oats and honey, and these are pretty much like bars that are just kind of broken up. And this is just regular, like, granola. But these were $3.77 a piece. You guys would end up paying $7.54 for the both of these. I know it's expensive. But then you guys can submit a $3.75 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta. So you guys would just pay $3.79 for both of these, or it comes out to be $1.90 a piece. So if you guys are really into granola and eating a little bit healthier, I say go for it. I'm actually pretty excited with the stuff I got. I got a little bit healthier stuff than usually the crap that I usually get. So I'm just letting you guys know with that. Now, I also got the Newman's Organics dressing. Now, my Target does not carry these, but they have these at Target and at Walmart. But my Walmart had these for $2.98. They had the balsamic vinegar, and then they had something else. But you guys want to use a $1 off coupon that is available on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.98 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 98 cents. So if you guys are really into stuff like this, go for it. Now, I was so excited for this. My store finally had these in stock. I got the Colgate toothpaste. These were $3.96. I ended up using a $1 off coupon that I printed from coupons.com when they were available. I don't know if the regular coupon is still good. I can't remember if that expired or not. But I used the printable coupon. I paid $2.96 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 96 cents. So I think it's a pretty good deal for getting mouthwash at Walmart. I ended up doing the Tide deal because I printed off coupons from the Brand Saver website yesterday, and I printed one of the liquid and one of the pods. And one of you guys explained or said that you printed it off and it expires like the next day. And I'm like, that's weird. Well, then I looked and I'm like, yeah, Why would they only let you print a coupon that lasts one day unless they let you print a new coupon every single day? I'm not sure on that, but yeah, it kind of sucked. You know, you could only use the coupon for like one day, but I ended up using that because I'm waiting on my coupons to come in the mail. But these were $4.94. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we just got in this P&G this past Sunday? You guys would just get this for $1.94, and I think under $2 for pods is a pretty good deal. I'm not saying it's going to be a stock up deal, but I think it's a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. And then I also did the Tums. I got Tums Assorted Berries, and I don't think there's any coupons out there for you guys, but this was $3.97. You guys would pay $3.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making this price just $2.47. Now, I just did this because sometimes my husband needs these, and I'm like, you know what, I got them for him when he does need them, but it's an okay deal. It was just a rebate that I wanted to do. I also did the Playtex Simply Gentle Glide. These were $3.97 at my store. You guys want to use a $1 off printable coupon. You guys would just pay $2.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta. Plus, you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Checkout 51, making it just 97 cents. Now, there's a deal on Checkout 51 where if you buy 2 of the 3 different feminine products, you get a quarter bonus. So I also got that. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. And then I ended up doing the Carefree deal. I got the Carefree ActiFresh. So I got that one, and then I just got the regular Carefree liners. So I went to carefree.com and I ended up printing a 50-cent off coupon. I tried printing it twice, but it said I already hit max or something, so I'm just going to wait on that. It's not a big deal. But this bad boy was $2.97. You guys want to use that 50-cent off coupon that you guys can print off. You guys would just pay $2.47 for this. But then you guys will get a 50-cent rebate on this. Now, I did scan these items while I was at the store because some items qualify and some don't. But then there's a deal where if you guys buy 2 of these, you get a $1 bonus. But if you guys can also submit your rebate on Checkout 51.
ABCs on the gummies.
Cool. You guys can also submit a $1 on Checkout 51. So there's that. So I'm going to kind of do a double dealio. So $2.97, $2.97, okay? You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon. If you guys can use another one, go for it. But you guys would pay $2.47 and $2.97. You guys will get a 50-cent rebate for this one, and you guys will get a $1 rebate for this one. If you guys buy both of these together on Ibotta, you also get an additional $1 rebate. So there's that. And then you guys can also submit your receipt on Checkout 51 for one of these, and you get a $1 on Checkout 51. And since I did 2 of the feminine products on Checkout 51, I got an extra quarter back. So just letting you guys know that. But these 2 end up becoming $1.94 or just 97 cents. It'll be a little bit cheaper if you guys use 2 of those 50-cent off coupons. So didn't want to confuse you guys, but I'm kind of glad I'm stocking up on feminine products because, you know, kids are going to school soon, and a lot of those, when I was their age, I hated buying that stuff. So I always like helping people who need that. But my total came to $37.31. I ended up getting $18 back and $18.25 back with Ibotta. I hit level 1, so I got a 50-cent bonus. I only needed like 9 rebates for level 1. I ended up hitting the stars and stripe bonus, so I needed 15 rebates for that, so I ended up getting $5 with that. I got that $1 Carefree bonus, and then my total came to $12.56. So I'm not going to say this is a win-win haul like it was last week, but I think $12.56 for a lot of this stuff is a pretty good deal. I got 17 items. Everything cost about 73 cents a piece, which is still a pretty decent deal. I mean, I'm kind of glad to say I got this for 73 cents, or like the granolas. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, I think it was a pretty good week. I think it's going to be a great month for Ibotta. If you guys don't have Ibotta, I highly recommend it. It is my favorite app. All you guys do is buy certain items and you guys get bonus money for buying those certain items. I have the referral link below so you guys can also be on my team. If you guys already have Ibotta and you want to be on my team, I do have a friend request. Gotta go down more in the information, but just friend request me, and then you guys might have to just refresh your Ibotta app on your app connected to Facebook, and then you guys will be on my team so you guys can see when I submit my money on Ibotta. So that means you guys know there'll be a video, or you guys can just, be friends with me on Facebook. Why not? I do ask a lot of personal questions. I kind of feel like you guys are great friends, and I'm starting to get to know every single one of you guys, so there is that. But yes. And if you guys are weirdos, I do get some weirdos from time to time. And if you guys ever have, I just want to recommend this. If you guys ever have somebody friend request you that are friends with me, and the person's like a creep, you can message me and say, hey, what's up? Because I had one person who messaged me and she's like, who's this one person? And I'm like, I don't know anybody really who I'm friends with on Facebook on that page. I just let you guys be my friend to be on my Ibotta team. But then, after I said, if he's a creep, I'll let you know. Well, I checked out his profile, and there's, no profile picture. And then he, started saying something to me, and I'm like, nope, unfriend. So, if you guys get some creeps that are friends with me on Facebook, you can message me so I can unfriend them. Just letting you guys know, because it's happened quite a few times. So, just wanted to share with you guys on that. But again, thanks for watching. I hope to catch you guys all next week for my another Walmart Ibotta haul. And I'll see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.